Lina Marcela Herrera Vanegas. Today we will talk about the empathic characteristic. Know how to listen. Empathic people like to establish constructive relationships has ways of building empathy. Is to always be willing to listen to others by giving the opportunity to express how they feel and why. Example: knowing how to listen. When my father is on, I start a conversation. I listen to him looking straight to his eye and avoid being distracted. I will heal the opportunity so that he feels safe to tell me his feelings. Be respectful. Being empathic also implies respecting other feeling their way of speech and undertaking their decision making, and also respecting the way they express their ideas to the world. Example: be respectful. My friend Juan has decided to go live in Spain. He says that it will have more opportunities and respect his point of view author in make big and grown decisions. Understand under. It is the ability to understand the feeling, emotion, ideas of others. People not only what the other incapable of appreciation, verbally but of others. What they manifest with other destructive behaviors and decisions. Example: la vieja Arabat quietly at work accounted by her face and her behavior as she is an understand her state of mind, something must have happened to her. Identify with order. Brick spotting of is also being avoid what was said in order people choose to understand in a very simple way what that is. Or violence. What worried their own maze, their solar habits and what made they were more difficult. Ensemble. Identify with order. My classmate is bored. Sing her some backboard win. Her are trying to motivate her by showing her solution to the problems, and solve by reminding her that I had to go through the same situation I am happy now. Bye.